Meaning of fruit gum.
Fruit gum.
Fruit gum.
Fruit gum.
Fruit gum. Fruit gums are a type of chewy candy typically made with fruit juice or fruit flavoring. They are often brightly colored and come in various shapes, such as circles, squares, and triangles. Fruit gums are generally enjoyed as a sweet treat and are popular among children and adults alike. Some brands of fruit gums may also contain additional vitamins and minerals to promote health benefits. Overall, fruit gums are a fun and enjoyable snack for those who have a sweet tooth and enjoy fruity flavors.